Yo, welcome back. I haven't picked up a silhouette like this for a long time, but I'm so glad I did. Let's just get straight into this. Welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, my name's Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers, and my goal is to help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. So please hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification bell, and if this video gives you context, hit the like button as well. Really does help. If you're old to the channel, welcome back everybody. I'm sure by now you all know I love to comment, so make sure you comment below. But we're going to get into this. Like I said to you, this is a silhouette I haven't picked up for ages because I just got bored of them. I must admit, and they were talking about the Jordan ones. I just got bored of them. I mean, there was some nice old classic colorways what came out and things like that. But the one what did take my mind and did make me ooh was the Sneakers Day release of the Jordan 1 Taxi.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So the first thing we need to do is look at the box, and as you can see, it's come in a yellow, black and yellow box. Taxi. It says at the front you've got a Jordan black there and the yellow background R. On the side it says 1985 Air Jordan 1, and it's a little bit writing about Nike branding, and the box it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Taxi Black and Sell. That could be the middle sole, I suppose, to sell, but we'll get into that anyway. Generic tissue paper, no extra laces, so let's just get straight into the kick. Now the first thing I'm going to tell you about this kick when it came out of the box is you could see the tumbled leather was just soft and buttery. I mean, last time I can say I've seen quality leather like this, we're going back decades, the 2008 release of the Old Love New Love double pack. So let's do what we normally do. Let's start with the sole of the shoe. As you can see, it's completely yellow. It's classic Jordan outsole design with the target at the ball of the foot, the Nike brand in the middle, and there's nothing more to really say about the bottom of it. The midsole is white and the upper is a white and yellow base. The overlay is a black, nice, soft leather which goes around the toe box and the lace eyelets as well. There's got a black leather tick or swoosh through the middle, and the overlays on the back of the shoe are the yellow, again in a nice, not overly tumbled leather, but you can see it's got tumble to it. And again around the ankle of the shoe you've got the yellow leather overlay with the ball and wings Air Jordan embossed on the outside of the foot there. Above where the ankle collar is, you've got some black leather there, and the lining of the shoe is just a nylon black lining. Decent padding for a Jordan 1. It's nothing out of the ordinary in terms of the padding itself. Okay. If we go to the tongue, you've got a nylon tongue with the Nike Air tag and swoosh at the top. On top of the toe box you have a leather which is tumbled but crumbly. You can see it just crumble when you touch it with your thing, but it's nice and soft. It just feels quality. I can't lie, it just feels quality. If we go back to the heel of the shoe, you've got a yellow overlay which looks tumbled but not over tumbled. So you know, you can see that there's a kind of buttery kind of texture to it and feel to it. Hard enough to protect your heel or keep your heel in situ if you're playing basketball or just walking, which you need anyway. You don't want your foot slipping out. And the inner sole itself is yellow. Feels a bit thicker. I have to say, it feels a bit thicker than normal Jordan 1, or maybe I just haven't had to put my hands in the Jordan 1 for a long time. I've got a few Jordan 1s, but I haven't worn them for a long time. But this definitely feels a bit thicker. It's yellow. It's got the black Nike Air logo stamped on top of it at the heel. But that's all to really say about the inner sole. The leather and the quality of this is just, it just takes it to another level. If Nike or Jordan released Jordans like this all the time, and the pricing's not bad. I know it's gone up another £10 or whatever it is, but that's inflation. But I don't mind paying an extra £10 if I'm going to get the leather like this. It just pees me off when you ask me to pay more money and you're giving me some bog standard and you're not even too sure it's leather. That's how bad it is. It just feels paperish, you know, or man-made or whatever it is. You don't get any extra laces with this. It's a typical Jordan. It is true to size. There's no extra bounce on it. If you're used to Jordan 1s, then this is going to be no different for you. All I would say, the difference between this and any other Jordan I've had for a long time is the quality of the leather. Definitely makes a difference. The colorway is banging. It's just one to have in your collection. I know they're sold out on sneakers. I think some other places get them. I think I've heard people saying you can go in store and get them. So you should be able to get your hands on them if you're looking for a copy. I would definitely recommend these to you. I don't do ratings on here. I'm just going to say these are a nice pair of kicks to have. That's all I can really say about the Jordan 1s. Definitely one to get. I think they cost around 155, 165. So like I said, a bit more expensive than they were. But for the quality of the leather, I'd pay that. I'm sorry. I did pay it. That's what I'm going to say on these. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it's giving you the content you need, whether or not to cop or drop. Like I said, my name's Patrick T. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Everyone comment. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know what other videos you want to know about. Any trainers you're looking for. Maybe I can help you. You know, comment. I'll try and reply. If I don't know, I don't know. But that's it. I'm out. Patrick T.
Damn.